Hey guys, Ramblin Bob here. I want to show you a really cool way to save a lot of money, and I mean a lot of money, on Amazon. I've been buying off Amazon for more than 25 years, way before I even had this channel page, YouTube thing. I've been buying stuff ever since probably 95, oh, I don't know, maybe 95 or 96. It was one of those years. And there's a lot of hidden things on Amazon pages that you don't know about, or you overlooked them, or you do know about them and you just kind of forgot about them. So we'll take this jackery for instance. Now I don't own this item and I'm not going to buy it, I'll be honest, because it's too small for me. It's only 300 watt hours, 293 watt hours. That's too small. I already got an 8K system. I'm looking for bigger. I want 12, 16, 24. But I'm using this as an example so you can see where the hidden sales are on Amazon. A lot of times people are rushing here. They'll see this price, ooh, $299.99, add to cart, boop, they're off to the races and they bought the item. They didn't realize something so simple that just underneath it, see that coupon right here? Save 20 bucks. Now, a lot of people have seen that, but some people don't. They bypass that. Hey, 20 bucks is 20 bucks, right? So there's also other ways that you could possibly save money. If you scroll down the page, sometimes it's up here, but most of the times, look at it, it's way down here. See this? New and used items from $291 plus free shipping. Now, if you look at that, used like new, these are all used ones, but they have brand new ones. See, here's new ones, $345, too much, $350. But sometimes they have really good deals in these, okay? And there'll be specials up here. So that's the one you're looking at, apply $20. That's the best one for today. And Amazon does not always put the lowest price towards the top. They put the heaviest looked item at the top. You know what I mean? From the vendors. I've noticed that over the years. But here's a little hidden shopping area that a lot of people don't know is here. And if you have one, you can obviously sell it on Amazon. But look how far down the menu that is. 99% of people that go and buy an item, they see the price, they hit add to cart, and they buy it, and they're done. And they could have saved a ton of money. Let me show you another instance. We're going to go to the Pecron. Now, I have this one, and you guys all seen that I have this one. It's $14.99 right now, and then here's that coupon again, see? 200 bucks. Now imagine if you went there and you bought that for somebody, or you bought it for yourself, and you said, oh, 1,500 bucks, I'll take that. Add it to your cart, boom, you're off to the races. You paid for it, and you just basically threw away $200. But let's say you clicked it and saved the 200 bucks and added it to your cart, and now you saved 200 bucks. You still lost money. Let me explain. If you go underneath that, look at that. Another promotion. If you put this code E2000LFP10 at the checkout, you get another 10%. That's 150 bucks more. That's not a joke. Now you're talking $350 savings, right, on this system. That's a lot of money. I mean, you could almost buy a small power station for 350 bucks right off the bat. And sometimes they'll have it where there's no price here. I don't know if you've ever seen pages like that. This price doesn't exist. It'll just have the description of the items, and then you'll see like see all buying options box will be up here, or sometimes it's down here, and you click on it, and then that thing like this one opens. Remember that one I showed you? This one, where you get that side menu, and way on the top will be a hidden thing that says save a percentage up here with a coupon or a percentage off. You could save a ton of money that way, and I mean a ton of money. So that's 350 bucks you could have saved just on that system alone, right? That's 20 bucks you could have saved on just this system alone. That's 370 bucks. I bet you'd want that if you had an opportunity to get it. But I want to show you one more thing, and I'm going to show you one of my accounts I have. This is my personal account, and I have things in the shopping cart. But notice it says your shopping cart is empty. See that up here? Which means I do and I don't have stuff in my shopping cart. When you put an item into a shopping cart, and then you have an idea, you have an option of either deleting it, buying it now, or you can what's called save for later. I use it all the time. See how these say save for later? There's 8 items in there right now, okay? Now the reason this is really cool is if you look close at these listings, these are just products I'd like to get and try. But look at, you see how this says #1 bestseller, blah, blah, blah. There's no sale on it now other than free shipping. But look at this one. This one tells me literally, hey, there's a coupon for 36 bucks off this. Real link. 8-channel network recorder, right? That'll save you 36 bucks. Now, if you don't sign into Amazon and look at every single item individually, you could miss that 36 bucks. Look at this one, save 5%. Or, keep going, let's see, look at this one, save 20%. 20% is a lot of money. You know, 20% of $5 is still a buck, right? Okay, now the best part about it, when you go to the top of the page, as I was saying, is when you have these items in your cart, you don't have to buy them because they're not in your cart. They're below your cart. They're the save for later underneath the cart. It's kind of hard to explain, but the neat thing is when you sign into Amazon every day, I sign in every single day, because I always look for specials. I always look for sales. I always look for new technology. I'm hooked on it, you know. I really, ever since I was young and I took that drill apart for the first time, I really enjoyed technology. So I always look for new products that are out. Now, getting back to what I was saying, when you put a bunch of stuff in your cart, but yet it's underneath your cart in the save for later section, every day you sign on, if any of these prices changed, you'll have a highlight at the top of your Amazon cart, and it'll say this item went either up or down, this item's on sale today, and it'll give you a complete list of every item in your cart that changed, whether it went higher or lower, or there's a coupon or a savings. That's fantastic, because I only have 8 items in this account. I have multiple accounts because, well, I have one for me, my wife has one, right? Even my mother has one. So we all have our own accounts, right? So you can put your own stuff in there, and then when you see a savings, make Amazon work for you. You're the consumer, they're the business. Make them, you know, help you. Make the guy selling the product work for you. Your money has to be earned, not taken. So that's what I like to do, guys. And you know what? I don't think there's a limit on your underneath the shopping cart options, your save for later. I've had hundreds of items in my cart at one time. Hundreds. Because I followed the prices to help save you guys money, or if I'm watching a product myself, it saves me money. But guys, this is a really good opportunity to throw stuff in your cart and then save it for later if you're interested in it. Even if you're just curious about the product, you can watch the prices go up and down the same as the stock market every day without having to go through and checking this one and then this one and this one and this one. You notice this one, it's already, this one, it's already, this one. Let Amazon do that hard work for you guys. It's really cool that you know, you're just a consumer. So let them do all the pencil pushing and the searching and everything. Make them work for you. All right, guys, this is just a money-saving tip that I've used for years, and it has really, 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 really paid off, because when this real link drops down 36 bucks, and I didn't know about it until I go and look at the page, I could have saved 36 bucks right now if I bought that product. And all you got to do is click that little coupon. See that? Coupon clipped, done. That means when I buy this, it's now under 200 bucks. When I clip this, look at that, just save 5%. If I buy this today, I save $5 on that. And if you come down here and I already clipped this one, save 20%, now you're down to like 27 bucks, 26 bucks on that one. And that is endless, guys. You could do that every single day, and that way if you decide to buy that product, you throw it back in your cart by, see, it says add to list or move to cart. Simple, right? Simple. So you just click that, it goes to the cart, you save your 36 bucks, you buy it, you're gone. You're done, and you made Amazon and the sellers work for you. All right, guys, just a tip to try to help you save money. Ramble on, be safe out there, and I'll see you on the next Ramblin Bob Reviews. Bye.